Good day guys, welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we are going to be checking out Lithium Auto Elixirs Glow Maxx Waterless Wash. So before we get this video kicked off, I want to just say thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop and check out this video. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you're enjoying the videos and you like the channel and you have not, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also remember to always smash that thumbs up if you like the video. Drop a comment down below of what you think. All of you guys' support is greatly appreciated and thank you guys so much for that. But in this video, as I mentioned, we are going to be checking out Lithium Auto Elixirs Glow Maxx Waterless Wash. I personally am not a huge fan of waterless washes. Is it because they're bad? No, they're not bad. They definitely hold their place. I'm gonna lean towards more of the reason why I don't like them is because I'm just not that comfortable with them. Just to be straight up honest with you guys. I like using a bucket of water with some very high lubricity of suds of any kind of car shampoo that you choose that you like. I have my own personal favorites. So that way I feel safer when I am doing the wash process. So all in all, when you get down to the bottom of it, waterless washes, that's why I'm not a huge fan of them. That's why I don't do a whole lot of reviews on them, because I'm not that comfortable using them and I don't want to scratch my surface. And I know that if you use them properly, you will not scratch your surface. With using the right microfiber towel, making sure that you're spraying enough product onto the surface, also the methods, and making sure that you're changing out through your microfiber towels so you're not getting all the dirt built up. But I will say that this product definitely does have me very, very excited to try it out because I want to love waterless washes, because right now, looking at the Challenger, that's what I will show you guys. You'll see some clips of it, how it is. It's not extremely dirty, but it is lightly soiled, is I'm going to call it. So when it gets to this point, it drives me crazy, and then I just want to wash it. Do I really need to waste all the water washing it? No, not really. A waterless wash would work perfect for the way that this car is right now, and it would be perfect for me because I could keep my car looking the way I want it to. So, very excited to try this out. Hopefully I get some really good results and we get a good review video out of it. I'm going to go over a few things on the back of the bottle of what Lithium has to say about this product. Also, I will do some shots of the car so you can see as well how dirty it is. It's not extremely dirty, but it does have some light soiling on it. So Glow Maxx Waterless Wash. At Lithium, our primary goal is to produce products that make surfaces healthy and cause no harm to the paint. So you can imagine that coming up with a waterless wash, which does both, made us very excited. It is in fact that it takes an average of 60 gallons of water to wash your car. It is also a fact that most of the time, the average car wash does not need a complete wash, and a bit of touch-up and some dust removal will do the trick. Another thing to consider is washing your car too often may make us happy. However, it prematurely ages and dries out the paint. Lithium Glow Maxx allows you to make those touch-ups, uses zero water, and actually protects and conditions your paint with each application instead of stripping it. So that is what Lithium has to say, and as I mentioned, that is why I want to love a waterless wash, because I don't need to do a full wash process right now, but my car is dirty and I don't like the way it looks, so I do want to make it clean. It is crazy to see that they are stating on here that it is a fact that an average car wash, so this is just your average, this is not you or me doing it, but your average car wash takes 60 gallons of water. That is absolutely insane. So that is a lot of water. So if you can use a waterless wash product and get your car clean and you're not needing to do a full wash, that is saving a tremendous amount of water. A few of the little notes on the back of the bottle here. Extremely powerful cleaning that is good for your paint, conditions and protects. Ingredients which will hydrate, not dry your paint. Directions: spray liberally and directly onto the paint surface, then wipe dry with a microfiber towel. H2No is not designed to remove mud or clean heavy soiled cars and surfaces. So a bit of good judgment is always in line. H2No is great for all surfaces except fabrics. There's that judgment thing again. Warning, keep out of reach of children and people who do not like healthy paint. So that is what Lithium has to say about their 32 ounces of eco-friendly. As you can see, absolutely love the color of this waterless wash. That blue is a very, very cool color. Paired up with their chrome and green label. Lithium is just absolutely killing it with their bottling and with their products. But their bottling looks super, super nice. Very, very professional looking. And I always love what they have to say on the back, how they said that you need to keep it out of reach of children and people who do not like healthy paint. That absolutely cracks me up. So another cool thing, Lithium products are all made in the US, if it'll focus. So they're all made in the US, which is very, very cool. All in all, I'm absolutely loving all my Lithium products. One thing to note, they do not stay anywhere on this bottle whatsoever. But one thing to note is you will see it start separating at the top. Of course, I've been reading it and shaking it around so you can't see it. But you can start seeing some stuff build up. If you get onto their website and look, this does contain SiO2 properties in it. So not only are you going to get a clean surface using this product, you're also going to leave a little bit of protection behind, and you're going to be boosting the gloss with using this product, with having the SiO2 properties in it. So very cool. Enough of me rambling about this product. Let's go ahead, start using it, see how well it works. Does it clean? Does it have a lot of lubrication? That for me is a huge thing, as lubricity is very, very key. And then also, what does the surface look like? Does it leave it streaky? Does it make it look really, really nice? But we are definitely going to find out. Okay, so as always, shake up your products. As you can see, I have some vinyl wrap. We'll be trying it on. And then also, we'll be doing it on the paint. I'll do it on the fender here. I also want to try it on the glass. I want to see how it works. On there, there's stream and spray. So we're going to go straight to spray. I'm actually going to do just a little bit of the vinyl and the top of the fender here because it is same in dirtiness. And then I'll bring you in closer to show you. So they say to spray a liberal amount, which you definitely want to. And the vinyl I'm not as worried about because I'm not worried of scratching the vinyl. I'm worried about scratching paint. So you just want to make sure you got a lot of it on a painted surface. I'm just basically using a nice waffle weave microfiber towel here. So I'm going to come in for my first pass, and right away what I'm going to say is, wow, this stuff is super, super slick. Right there is just right off the top of the fender. As you can see, it has picked up a lot of dirt, a lot of nasty junk. But the slickness of this stuff is absolutely insane. It is very slick. The microfiber just glides right over it. Like I said, we'll come in on the vinyl. I'm just going to wipe off the vinyl. I'm not super worried about scratching the vinyl. And as you can imagine, I probably went a little heavier than I actually really needed to. I'm just going to come back in on the top of the fender here. You can see there's just a little bit of dirt there. But I'm just slowly rolling my microfiber as I'm going over it. Always switching, flipping to a nice clean side. The lubricity of this stuff is absolutely insane. I am loving that. And as you can see, it flashes very nice as well. So just flip that over. It is leaving the surface of the vinyl looking really nice. The top of the fender is now clean with very effortless. Very impressed with how easy that was and how much slickness you can feel. So very, very impressed, very cool. I want to hit this fender some more, so I'll adjust the camera down a little bit more, and then once I get the fender, I'll bring you in and show you basically the fender to the door, how it looks. And we'll hit a few other spots. Like I said, I want to see how it does on the glass. But as you can see right there, it has done a really good job. Coming in on the side of the fender, I'll just spray it down. And that's going to definitely be way more than enough, but I just like to make sure that I am being as safe as possible on my painted surface, so there is no harm done there. I'm really blown away with how nice this glides. Has a lot of lubricity. The cleaning power is spot on. It is for a waterless wash. You're not looking for something with a absolute tremendous amount of cleaning power, because you're not going to be cleaning something that you just took through a mud puddle with mud just sitting all over the surface. But you are going to have some light dust, pollen, anything that's sitting on the surface. And as you can see, down behind the rear tire, your road grime, it didn't look that bad, but you can see it there. You're going to have all this nasty junk. So you do need to have some cleaning power, because that is definitely going to help make the process easier and deliver the results that you want and need. But at the same time, you're not trying to come in and do a huge decontamination of the paint with a waterless wash. But this stuff is working so good. It's leaving the surface absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to say that this is what I was looking for. Something that can come in that quick, that easy and effortlessly. Basically to get that light grime off of my car and to make it look super, super good. The finish looks absolutely awesome. Looks like I just got done doing a nice contact wash like I normally do. So this is going to leave my car looking the way that I've wanted it to look. Here's a little bit of a close-up of the front of the fender here. You can see very shiny, really nice looking. We'll get back towards the back here so we can see the difference between the fender and the door. So here's the back of the fender. Coming over to the doors, you can see the reflection of the light. There is a nice shine and glow to it. It is nice and clean compared to the door. The door does have some junk on it. But look at that fender and how nice and shiny and glossy it is. I had to get a little bit closer to the back of the fender here to the door because, as I mentioned, this thing is just crazy. It does leave a nice glowing, shining depth to the paint. Just makes it look super happy and healthy. But as you can see with that light there from each surface, that fender looks absolutely amazing. Hasn't left any streaking, nothing like that on the surface. Just a nice, clean, great looking surface with something that was super easy to do. I'm just going to come in and hit the glass real quick here. I'll do just this bottom side. As you can see, a little bit of smearing, just nasty. The lubricity of this stuff I cannot get over. I know I keep saying it, but it is just absolutely amazing. You can see the dirt right there from the windshield. Flip it over, you can see it just flash nice and quick. And right there, the surface is nice and clean. You can see there is a difference. Unfortunately, where I was doing it at, the light is right on my 50-50 line. But as you can see right there, let me get you off the tripod. That is better there. You can see there is that 50-50 line where somehow I just managed to split it with the light on the ceiling. But this stuff works so easy, so good. It knocks all that light, nasty stuff off. So you can see on the vinyl on the hood, it looks really nice compared to how it looked before. And that fender looks super good. Nice, glowing, clean amazingness is what I'm going to say. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get the rest of the car done. Once I get the rest of the car done, I will bring you guys in closer so you can see how it looks once it is all finished. But so far, absolutely loving this stuff. So as you can see, just from the front right here, huge difference, right? It looks so good. But we'll kind of pan and scroll down the side, and as you can see right there, it has turned out absolutely amazing. Lots of shine, lots of slickness to the panel when you feel it. Overall, I am very, very excited and very stoked about this product just because of how great it's made my car look and how easy it was to get it to this point. Yes, it wasn't extremely dirty, but it was dirty enough at that point I would be getting out the garden hose and doing a full contact wash on this thing. It is done so well on the paint, on the wheels, on the vinyl, on the glass. It has worked perfect on everything. Even the plastic up in the front, it has done a very, very good job. All right, so there you go. There is the review of the Lithium Auto Elixirs Glow Maxx Waterless Wash. Overall, I really, really do enjoy using and like this product. I'm definitely going to give it a 2 thumbs up. This product performed, I'm going to say, better than I expected. I did use quite a bit. I would say I used about 1/4 of the bottle. You can see it about right in there. It's kind of hard to see. So I used about 1/4 of a bottle. I did wash my boat with it. But I did do my whole Challenger with it. Did all the glass, all the paint, I did the wheels. You're going to be seeing that here soon. It has turned out absolutely phenomenal. I love the way that it looks. And especially as easy as it was to use this product to basically make my car look like it does once I get done doing a full contact wash, drying it, using a drying aid, doing everything that I want to do. I do see some boost in gloss and a little bit of color depth with this, with the SiO2 in this, as it is starting to kind of cure and sit on the surface. But this thing looks really, really good. So overall, absolutely love this product. Definitely a 2 thumbs up product. I really enjoyed using it. I'm going to be using it more and more. It's kind of it's exciting because it's kind of opened the door for a waterless wash that I've used that I really, really like. I haven't used that many, so don't take my word for granted saying I've used a bunch of them and I don't only like this one. That's not the truth. I've only used maybe a couple, and I'm always scared. This one gave me the confidence in what I wanted to do with my car. Also, I'd be curious, if you have a waterless wash that you like to use, please drop that down in the comments below. I'm just curious to know what you've used. If you have used this Glow Maxx Waterless Wash by Lithium Audio Elixirs, definitely drop that down in the comment below. Also, remember to smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. All your guys' support is greatly appreciated. But I look forward to seeing your comments, what waterless washes you like to use, what you have the best luck with. If you have used this one, personally, if you haven't, I would recommend going out, picking some of this stuff up because it works really, really good. But thank you all so much for stopping and checking out this video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.